Hey everyone, welcome to ticker.com. So in this video, I'm going to briefly show you how to look at Wall Street sell-side analyst estimates for 100,000 plus stocks globally. So to begin, you can just look up a ticker using this search bar here. So let's look at Google or Alphabet. And then you will see this page pop up. You can click on estimates. And here you will see the Wall Street sell-side analyst estimates for Alphabet. Now you can drag this orange dot on the timeline to pull up more historical data. And so historical data here are actuals, and the forward numbers here are estimates. So you can see the E here, which denotes estimates. So you can see we have a bunch of metrics here, revenue, EBITDA, EBIT, so on and so forth. And if you scroll down here, we have a ton of information, gross margins, capital expenditures, so on and so forth. So just a lot of detailed information that is aggregated and put together by Wall Street sell-side analyst estimates. You can click on any of these rows to visualize the data. So again, you can drag this orange dot on the timeline to look at more of the data, click show labels. You can add more information onto the chart. You can add other tickers to the chart. So for example, if you want to compare it to Facebook, you can easily do that here as well. You can also look at quarterly data, semi-annual, calendar year. You can change the display units, you can reverse the dates, and you can change the decimals to display. So this is a very helpful tool on Ticker, where again, you can look at both historical data, which is generally normalized and kind of closer to non-GAAP data if you're looking at US companies. So these are, again, metrics that have been scrubbed by Wall Street analyst estimates to normalize them for any one-time impacts. And so this can be a really helpful resource to look at when you're thinking about analyzing and valuing companies. Here we have forecast data out 5 years, so out to 2026 for Google here. And so you can see, again, revenue estimates going out and so on and so forth. So this could be a really helpful tool. We also have this CAGR column here where you can look at the compound annual growth rate from the beginning period to the end period to see the growth rates across these different metrics as well. So this is just a quick overview. The only other thing I'd mention here is that you can go to the valuation tab and then street targets to get a sense of how many analysts are covering this specific company. So for Google here, you can see that almost 40 analysts are covering this company, and you can get a sense of their recommendations as well as their target stock price for this company on this tab over here. And again, we cover just a number of companies globally. For example, if we look at Nintendo, which is of course based in Japan, we can take a look at the estimates tab here as well and see, again, we have a bunch of data here in the estimates tab for Nintendo, and you can look up pretty much any stock here using the search bar, and we would cover it here as long as there are sell-side analysts covering that company. So that's it for this video. As always, if you have any questions, reach out to us at support@ticker.com.